Come on, Luxo lovers. Let's be real, we all want to enjoy the finer things in life. But let's face it, not everyone can afford that kind of lifestyle all the time. That's why today's video, Luxury for Less, Smart Budget Tips to Elevate Your Life Instantly, is all about showing you how to live well without spending a fortune. We'll go through small changes that can make a big difference, things that help you cut back on costs in the right areas, while still feeling elevated, inspired, and more like yourself. If you stick around until the end, you'll walk away with ideas you can actually use, whether it's in your space, your style, or your everyday habits. So if you're ready to upgrade your life without maxing out your budget, this one's for you. Give Luxo-Life some love, and let's get started. Tip 1. Be intentional with your spending. Luxury doesn't mean spending more, it means spending smarter. Real luxury isn't about dropping cash on the trendiest thing, it's about choosing what actually improves your life. It's about quality, not quantity. When you start spending with purpose, even simple choices can make your everyday feel more elevated without blowing your budget. Think about what truly adds comfort, joy, or peace to your routine. Maybe it's a scent that makes your home feel calm, a book that shifts your mindset, or a well-made item you use daily. These small things can feel like little luxuries, and they last way longer than any impulse buy. When your money goes toward things that align with you, your life gets better and your spending habits get stronger. Impulse purchases feel good in the moment, but most of them don't stick. That's money you could have used on something meaningful. Be intentional. Ask yourself, does this improve my day-to-day, or is it just filling space? That one pause can save you a lot and help you build a lifestyle that feels rich in all the right ways. Tip 2. Upgrade your self-care routine for free or cheap. Self-care is luxury, and the best part, it doesn't have to be expensive. You don't need a fancy spa day or high-end products to feel refreshed and grounded. Even simple things like a walk in nature, a quiet moment alone, or a basic skincare routine can feel luxurious when done with intention. When you give yourself time to pause and reset, you're creating space for real peace without spending much at all. Small, affordable rituals can completely change your day. Try journaling in the morning, meditating for 5 minutes, or setting the vibe with music and candles while you unwind. These little acts might seem simple, but when done with care, they feel rich. It's not about doing a lot, it's about doing what feels good for you, in your own time, in your own way. Self-care isn't just about relaxation, it's about connection. When you slow down and listen to yourself, you start to notice what you really need. That's when everyday things become luxurious. A face mask, a homemade smoothie, or a stretch before bed suddenly feels like a treat, not a task. Tip 3. Cook gourmet meals at home. Dining out is great, but luxury starts in your kitchen. You don't need a reservation or a pricey bill to enjoy a 5-star experience. Sometimes, all it takes is learning how to cook your favorite dish with a little twist. Whether it's adding fresh herbs, trying a new sauce, or just plating it in a fun way, a homemade meal can feel just as special, if not more. Turn your kitchen into a cozy little escape. Light a candle, play your favorite playlist, and take your time with the process. Cooking doesn't have to be rushed or boring. It can be a moment of creativity and care. And when you sit down to eat, whether it's with someone you love or just on your own, that $10 meal suddenly feels elevated. It's not just about the food, it's the feeling. The vibe you create around a meal makes all the difference. Even simple ingredients can become something beautiful when there's thought behind them. You're not just feeding your body, you're treating yourself to an experience. Tip 4. Embrace the luxury mindset. Luxo lovers, abundance starts in your head. It's a mindset, not a price tag. When you start manifesting the life you want by believing you deserve more, you begin to make space for better things. Whether you're used to doing it all on your own or feel uncomfortable asking for support, it's time to shift that energy. Luxury isn't always about things, it's about how you allow yourself to be treated and what you say yes to. Let go of the guilt. You don't have to earn rest, joy, or ease. Saying yes to new opportunities, leaning into supportive relationships, and accepting help doesn't make you weak, it makes you wise. The luxury mindset is about knowing you're worthy of good things, even if they come in ways you didn't expect. You're allowed to live well. You're allowed to want more. Whether that's more time, more love, or more peace, it's yours to claim. The shift happens when you stop holding yourself back and start allowing better into your life. Tip 5. Build a capsule wardrobe that reflects you. Fashion isn't gendered, style is personal. It's not about following trends or copying what everyone else is wearing. It's about building a wardrobe that feels like you. A capsule wardrobe with a few go-to pieces you actually love can make getting dressed feel simple, stylish, and stress-free. When your clothes reflect who you are, every outfit becomes a quiet kind of confidence. Start with the pieces that just work. Maybe it's a structured pair of jeans, a flowy top, or a clean neutral you can wear anywhere. These items don't need to be expensive, they just need to feel good on you. Quality matters more than quantity, and when your clothes mix and match easily, you can create a bunch of looks without needing a full closet. A capsule wardrobe isn't about having less, it's about having what fits. Not just your body, but your vibe. Whether your style is bold, minimal, playful, or polished, owning a few solid basics gives you space to show up as your full self without overthinking it. Tip 6. Look polished without overspending. Looking clean, fresh, and stylish comes down to the details: how your clothes fit, how you layer them, and how confident you feel wearing them. You don't have to spend big to look polished and pulled together. You can find great pieces that elevate your look without maxing out your budget. Pretty sure Zara, ASOS, and H&M have hidden gems for everyone. Stick to timeless staples that work for your shape and your style. Think simple, well-fitting basics that you can mix, match, and wear on repeat. A good blazer, tailored pants, or a sleek button-down can make any outfit feel put together. These are the kind of items you'll wear again and again, and they never go out of style. Thrift stores can be a goldmine if you know how to style and tailor what you find. Even small tweaks like hemming jeans or changing buttons can transform a basic piece into something that feels custom. Additionally, don't undervalue the influence of accessories. You may quickly transform your casual ensemble into a refined one with a structured bag, clean shoes, or a layered necklace. Tip 7. Create a luxurious living space on a budget. Luxury starts at home, and it doesn't have to cost much. Your space should feel like you, not a showroom. It's about creating a vibe that feels calm, personal, and elevated, using what you already have or can find on a budget. Secondhand furniture, DIY touches, or simply moving things around can completely shift the energy of a room. You don't need designer decor to make a statement. Light a candle, add a plant, or hang something that inspires you. Even the smallest changes can make a space feel fresh and intentional. It's less about price tags and more about the feeling your space gives you when you walk in the door. Your home should feel like a retreat, not a project you're waiting to finish. When you curate your environment with creativity instead of cash, you start to appreciate the beauty in what's already around you. Rearranging a shelf, layering textures, or adding a soft throw can instantly elevate any corner. Tip 8. Let your creativity define luxury. Lastly, luxury is personal, and your creativity is what makes it real. It's not just about what you buy or what you wear. It's how you express yourself, how you carry yourself, and how you choose to live. Whether it's through your art, your cooking, your outfits, or even the way you speak to yourself, you have the power to define what luxury means in your own life. True luxury shows up in the little things. It's in a meal you made with care, an outfit you styled just for fun, or a quiet moment where you chose kindness over criticism. These moments may not look flashy, but they hold real value. When your life is full of personal expression and self-respect, it starts to feel rich, no matter your budget. You don't need permission to live beautifully. Let your voice, your style, and your choices reflect the life you're building. Whether bold or simple, loud or quiet, your version of luxury should feel like you. That's where the magic is. So go ahead and make your life a reflection of your worth. When you lead with creativity, self-love, and intention, every day becomes an opportunity to feel luxurious in your own way. And that kind of luxury, it's powerful, personal, and completely yours. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed today's video and picked up a few tips, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment below and share how you experience luxury without overspending, or let us know your favorite tip from this video. And if you know someone who loves the finer things in life on a budget, go ahead and share this with them too. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Luxo-Life and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay elevated, Luxo lovers.